All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another section of the Sales Ignite. Today, I'm so glad because today's class is just awesome. It's going to be awesome. So today you will learn how to create and edit photos for social media content using AI. Now, before we begin with today's presentation, again, say this to yourself. I like myself. I like myself. I like myself. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So I like us to tell ourselves this before we start any presentation, because whatever we'll be learning, you have to be able to feel like you can do it for you to be able to do it. So when you tell yourself this over and over again, it gives you that morale, that self-esteem. It boosts your self-esteem to know that, yes, I can actually do this, I can do this, I can do this. Secondly, ensure you are in a quiet area. Make sure you have a good internet connection. If you're viewing with your phone, you can switch to the portrait mode by bending your phone. Get a pen, get a paper to write things down, and finally pay attention. Pay attention. So in this training, I'll be showing you how to use Canva. It's an AI tool. I'll be showing you how to use Canva to create and edit photos for social media. That's what you'll be learning in this training. Now, Canva as an AI tool is very broad. There are lots of things you can do with Canva. In fact, you can run your entire business on Canva. It's one of the amazing AI tools that are out there. In fact, a lot of people run their business on Canva. I'm talking about everything from social media posts to their website, to presentations, to creating video, to creating photos, modifying photos, editing photos. Everything can be done on Canva. Canva is such a big tool, and I'll be showing you how to use some tools inside Canva to use for your business the way you want to use it. So now let's head over to the browser. This is the best part. Time to practicalize. Time to practicalize this. So the first thing to do is to go to canva.com. Once you go to canva.com, you have to sign up if you don't have an account. Once you sign up, you would come to this interface. Now, Canva has a free version and a pro version, but you can use the free version to do almost everything that you want to do. And almost everything I'll be showing you on this training. Now, remember, we use AI tools to make our business flows easier, to make it, to reduce the task that we do in our business. So Canva is one of those tools that can help you reduce that task. Now, let's assume you want to create a presentation. You want to present your business to, let's say, your prospect. Now, normally, you will do a video call with them. But assuming you want to show them everything your business can do, the easiest way to do this is by presenting slides to them, showing pictures, videos, or whatever it is to make your business more visual so they can understand it, visualize themselves in that business and all that. So you can use presentations to do that. How do you create those presentations? You can come to Canva to create those presentations. Now, let's say you're a realtor. Now, this is an example of a presentation. Let's say you a prospect booked a call with you. You come to that call, you show them this presentation. You show them your picture, yourself, uh, tell them what you can do for them, ask them questions. Are you looking for a house, land, investment, or any other specific type of property? Which neighborhoods or areas are you interested in? So these are different questions you can ask your prospect to warm them up. What is the budget range for the property you're expecting to buy? Then you tell them the sales process. So what I'm saying is all this can be done using Canva. Secondly, you can create websites on Canva. If you look at this now, this is a website and it was built in Canva in less than 10 minutes. I'll show you how to do that just in a bit now. Also, in our last trainings, I showed you guys how to create lead magnets like ebooks. We also used Canva for that. Again, you can use Canva to create social media posts. You can use Canva to create videos, and you can use Canva to modify and edit your photos. Now, let's start from somewhere. Where do we start from? If you look at this, it will ask you, what will you design today? You can choose docs, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, print products, website. Let's start from websites. Let's say you want to design a website. You can come to website, click on it. When you click on it, Canva is lovely because it shows you lots of templates. All you have to do, look for a template that suits what you want to do, click on it, edit it, modify it to what you want, and that's it. You've done your project. So let's look for any template here just to show you guys how this works. If you want to see more template, you click on see all. So for now, and I will look for under business websites here. I'll look for any template. Okay. Let's just choose anyone for now, right? Just anyone for now, just to get the idea across. So let's click on this. Once you click on this, it opens like this. Now, when it opens, of course, it's time for you to edit. You can click on every aspect in Canva to edit it, from the text to buttons, to pictures, to sections, to the color, everything you can edit. So let's say we want to edit this, we can change the picture. Look at this. Just click on the picture. By the left side, click on photos, assuming you want to add a photo. But if you want to upload your personal photo, come to uploads. You click on uploads. Then you can upload your photo by uploading an image or video of yourself. Or if you already have a photo, fine, let me look for one and let me use this. So once I click on it, I can drag it here and I can, extend. I can modify it anyhow I want to modify it until I have that perfect background. If I want to change the color, I can click on where I want to change, click on background color, select the color I want. Now, this is a button, as you can see. If you want to add, let's say you want to add a link to your WhatsApp. Let's say you want to add contact us. You want to add a link so that when they click on that link, they will be able to contact you. What do? You ungroup it. What's the meaning of ungroup? So if you look at this now, it's a combination of both a text, look at it, both a text, which is the contact us, and a button. So you need to ungroup it to be able to edit both of them. So let's ungroup. Beautiful. It's ungrouped now, meaning I can edit the text or the button. Don't forget, you would get better with this when you practice. You would get better when you practice. So let's say I want to add a link on this contact us. I will click on this button here and click on link. Then I can add my WhatsApp or any link that I want to add here. So let's say it's your WhatsApp link you want to add. Fine. You can add your WhatsApp link here. And once you've added it, it's there. Link added. So like that, you can edit this entire website the way you want to edit it. And when you're done, you click on publish website. Now, when you click on publish website, Canva will tell you publish to web. It will ask you, of course, on mobile, if you want navigation, Navigation means the header, which is the top. That's what they mean by a website navigation. The way to navigate to your home, your menu, your about us, contact us. Beautiful. So let's say with navigation, if you want to buy a domain like danielilo.com, you can just click on purchase a domain and you can buy a domain immediately and connect it to your site. But for now, I'll be showing you how to use the free domain. So let's click on free domain. Also, if you have an existing domain with any of your hosting or domain services, you can also connect it on this website you just built now. But now I'll just show you the free domain to show you how it works. So let's click on free domain. We click on continue. It asks us your URL, so you can click and you can edit it the way you want to edit it. So this is the URL. Let's say test. And once you've done that, you can put website description. Let's say to describe your website, design agency, whatever you want to put there, fine. If you want to enable password protection, what this means is that whenever you send this website link to someone, they need to put a password to get in. So you don't need this for now. Also, hide my website from search engines. What this means is that when someone search for your website on Google, should your website show yes or no? That's what they're asking you here. So no need to hide it. That's if you're building a website that you will use. But me, I'm not using this website, so I'll click hide my website from search engines and I'll click publish. Now, once you click publish, Canva will prepare your design. And once it's done, you can click on view website. Once you click on view website, and boom, you have your website online. We created this in less than 10 minutes. Again, if you want to edit, you can edit. Edit each and everything here. Everything you can come back here, click on edit design and keep editing each of them. Let's say come to you can go use the 200 plus ChatGPT prompt. Go to ChatGPT, get what you use to edit your full website immediately if you don't know what to use here. Once you're done, again, you click on publish website. Once you've published it, you come here, you refresh. Okay, continue. Don't forget publish. All right. So you need every edit you make, you need to publish again so that your design will appear on your website. So once it's appeared, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can share this website with anybody. Your website is live. So instead of paying someone 200,000, 500,000, just come to Canva, do your website, and boom. As you can see, it's very neat. Everything is straightforward. If I click on this button, look at it, it takes me to WhatsApp. There we go. So you can edit each of the buttons on your website. If you also want to put, a link, let's say a link for them to book a call with you, you can also put the link on each of the buttons. Beautiful. We are done with websites. Let's go to the next thing. All right, let's go back to home. So in case you don't know, I know everything feels so surreal right now. I just showed you how to build a website using Canva. If you can even charge people money to do this for them, people that are paying tons of money to do websites, you can just come to Canva, create their website, buy the domain, link it up, and give them the job. And all this can be done in 10 minutes, like literally 10 minutes, and job is done. So let's go to the next thing. Now, the next thing I'll show you guys is how to create social media posts on Canva. Not just how to create it, but how to create like in bulk. Now, and I know this part is very, very tasking. Like me, guess what? I've been in business for over 4 years. But if you go to my social media posts, you see that I don't post regularly. Like I don't dig the posting stuff. Yes, it works. Trust me. If you want to grow a profitable brand that works without you, you need to take social media serious. I mean it. You need to take social media serious. But the way it works before AI, before everything, it was very tasking for me to, manage everything. But now I can come to different AI tools, schedule content for like 3 months, 4 months plus, and you can do everything on Canva. So let's say you want to create a post, let's say on any of the social media. When you come to Canva, you click on social media. Look at it here, social media. You click on it, then it gives you different options: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, Facebook event cover, Facebook video. So let's say we want to do a Facebook post. Let's click on it. Now, if we want to build from scratch, we can do that. You want to edit the background, you can come here to background color, select your background and all that. But to make it easier for you, just by the left side, click on design and you see different templates that you can use. Template style. So let's click on see all. So you can see different templates here. Look for something that vibes with you. Don't forget, when you are in Canva, you need to be creative. Your creativity should be at its peak. If your brand color is blue, white, purple, you need to create things that resonates with your brand color. Whatever it is you want to create, when you come to Canva, you have the option to imagine a future, a world that only you can create. That's why I love Canva so much. So let's say let's select any template here. Which one should I select? Okay, let's just select anyone for now. So we've selected this. Now, if you want to put your picture inside here, don't forget you either go to uploads, or if you want a random picture, you can come to photos and search for, let's say, uh Nigerian woman, and it gives you different pictures. You can choose anyone. If you want to use your picture, you come to uploads and upload your picture on Canva. So for now, I will just pick any of my picture and I can drag it inside here and automatically it's replaced. So easy peasy. If I want to put my logo, again, look at it. If I don't want anything on the template, click on it. The bin icon appears, you delete. Click, delete, click, delete. Once you're done, you just align everything the way you want to align it. Align. If it's the button, you can drag it. Just play around. AI is very fun, guys. But you need to play around it. Play around it to get what you want. Simple and short. So now let's say this. This way it becomes more tricky. So let's say I want to create like 3 different images to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. How do I do that immediately? So we can come here, click on add page. So we've created 3 pages. That's the first thing. Or we can just come here and click on duplicate page. Click on duplicate page. But now, this is the hard part. So if you keep, let's say you want to create 10 images now, and you start duplicating and editing each of them one after the other, that's going to take a lot of time. So guess what? Let's use AI and do everything. Now, how do you use AI to create multiple images at once? Now you come here, click on apps. When you click on apps, you can search an app. It's called Bulk create. So if you type enter, you see the app here, bulk create. What does bulk create do? It helps you create multiple images at the same time. But don't forget, you would have to impute the data on each of these images. So enter data manually. So let's click on that. Beautiful. Now, don't forget, if you're creating an image has different parts. It has a headline, it has a sub headline, and it has a call to action, and maybe information data. What do I mean by this? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I want to create, let me just show you an image, just a random image. Now, if you look at this image, this top part is the headline, which is the first thing people see when they see your image. This part is the sub headline. Now, if there was a button here, be called the call to action. If there was a button and like, okay, I've put a button, beautiful. This is the call to action. If there is an info page, info details, let's say a phone number, this is the info. So this is how a graphic structure is: headline, subheadline, call to action, and info details. So when you go to ChatGPT, you can ask it these details for you and all that. So let's come back here, and the first thing we'll name this what? Don't forget, headline. The next one, we'll name it sub headline. We can add another one. What are we going to name it? Call to action. And finally, image. Let me show you how to use this now. So you can come to ChatGPT. When you come, you open a new chat. We're gonna tell it create free headline and subheadline for my, let's say, travel agency called Exotic Travels. And we proceed. Now, once we proceed, it creates the headline, and subheadline. Now, let's copy this. Let's come here. Paste one, which is the first headline. Let's copy the second headline. Paste here and third headline. And we paste. Let's do the same for the sub headline. We'll paste. Do the same for this. Paste. Finally, we do the same for this. And we paste. The next thing, the call to action, well, it's whatever you want. It can be contact us, it can be learn more, it can be shop now, and it can be click here. Whatever it is you want, just put there. Now, the next one is image. Assuming you want different images on each of the picture, you can put different images on each of the picture. So don't forget, these images are what has been uploaded on your Canva. So once we've done all this, the next step is to click on done. Once we click on done, everything appears here. And the next thing you will see is connect data to your elements. Big English. Let me show you how to do that. So now we'll connect each of those data to this picture. That's simply what they mean. So the first one, let's remove this. Let this be headline. Let's connect this. We click on it. Click on these three dots. Click on connect data and select headline. The next one, this looks a little bit, let's increase it. Coming. Okay, I think should be more visible now. So again, we click on the three dots, connect data, subheadline. The next one, this is the button. So again, you click on it, click on the three dots, connect data, and call to action. That's what CTA means. And the final one, which is the image, you click on it, click on the three dots, connect data, and image. Now, once you've done all this, it looks like this. Yes. Now, see where the magic comes in. Click on continue. It tells you, should it generate 3 pages? You click yes. And as you can see, 3 pages are automatically generated with each of the headline, subheadline, and call to action that we used previously to create the data. So once that is done, of course, you can edit it, put it properly to suit everything. Again, this one, you can do the same thing for here. Once you've done this, do the same thing for this. So don't forget, it all depends on the template you select. The template you select will determine how beautiful all this would look like. And of course, you can also edit it to make it look more beautiful. The choice is all yours. So once you've done all that, as you can see, we just created 3 different social media images. If you want to edit, you can also click the images and edit it how you want it. We've created 3 images, let's say within, should I say 5 minutes, 6 minutes? And once you've done these 3 images, guess what? You can share them on your social media by clicking on share on socials, and you can share on Facebook page, Facebook group, Twitter, whatever it is. Guess what now? You can also schedule. This is the interesting part. So if I wanted to send this on the 22nd, which is on Tuesday, I can put time, click on next. Of course, it will ask you to link your page. You can link your Twitter, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram. So I can select where I want to post this. I can select if I want to post it 3 pictures or just 1. So I can choose just 1. I can write something and I'll click on schedule. Once I click on schedule, guess what? It will connect my Facebook account again and it will schedule this post for the 22nd of August. What does that mean? It means even if I'm sleeping, even if I'm on vacation, guess what? At this exact time, Tuesday 22nd, 7:30 p.m., that post will send. I need to go and delete that because that is a wrong post. That's not for my page. It's just an example. So yes, now you can do this for your social media posts for the next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. It will just keep sending over and over again. This is the beauty of AI. You can automate everything and just go to bed. Beautiful. Now, that is how we can create social media posts on Canva. Now, let me show you how to, let's say, modify and edit photos. This part is very interesting, guys. This part is very interesting. Now, there are different AI tools you can use to modify and edit photos. If you're conversant with the AI movement so far, you would have seen some people creating AI pictures, AI videos, and all that. Now, there are different tools you can use to do that. There's Canva, there's Midjourney, there's a lot of them, but I'll just show you some on Canva. Now, this is something that was created on Canva. Yeah, so the whole thing now is a little bit, looking, of course, it's AI when you look at it, but not everybody will know it's AI, by the way. And this video was created using, let me show you this, using this image. So it's not like I did this video myself. It was created using this image. This is what they used to create this video. So you can do that yourself. Let's say you're shy, but this is just an example anyway. But now let me show you something very tricky. Now look at this. Let's say I want to modify my photo. Let me come here. I'll click on, let's say I want to create a new photo. My Facebook. Let's click on social media. Come down to Facebook post. Of course, a blank photo. Now let me upload the photo I want to modify. Let's say, okay. All right, just search any photo for now. I'm just looking for something to show you how this works. Okay, let me just use this photo now. So let's say this is your photo and you want to modify it. Let's say you didn't like what you're wearing, you don't like your hair looks rough, you want to modify it. You can do that using Canva. Now, when you click on the photo, you can click on Edit Photo, then click on Magic Edit. Magic Edit. There is Magic Edit, there's Magic Eraser, and there's BG Removal. BG Removal is like background removal. So let's say I want to remove this brown background. I can click on this and it removes the background. If I want to, delete something, let's say I want to delete, let's click. I want to delete this. Let's delete the hair a little bit. Just wave your brush around it and it will be deleted. So all these are stuff you can play around. If you want to reset it, come to reset erasing and it's back. Now, if you want to use the Magic Edit, this is a fun part. You click on Magic Edit, that's what it's called. Then brush over the image. So this would brush the part you want to be edited. So let's say we want to put a necklace. Just brush that part, click on continue. Then AI describe what you want to generate. So let's say a necklace and click on generate. Once you click on generate, AI will generate different types of necklaces that you might want to put. It can put this, it can put this, it can put this. If you don't like it, you generate new ones. So you can select this, you can select this, anyone you want, you just select. Once you're done, you click on done. If you want to edit her hair, you can click on edit photo, click on Magic Edit, brush over what you want to edit. So let's brush her hair. Let's give her a new haircut, shall we? Okay. Now, once that is done, you click on continue. Describe what you want to generate. So, I don't know any Nigerian female hairstyle. Can someone drop a comment on the chat box, please? So let's see. Oh my God. Let me just put another hair. So let's click on generate. Let's see what happens. Someone please drop a female hairstyle for me on that chat box because I'm confused right now. Any comment? Okay, Ghana weave. Okay, beautiful. Let's use Ghana weave and click on generate. So we have some already. Okay. Um, we have this, we have this, we have so like I said, AI is not perfect. Don't forget, you need to keep editing it, giving it the exact prompts that you want to give it so you find exactly what you want. So let's use this. Beautiful. We click on done. So you can keep, editing your photo till you find exactly what you want to, you know, what you want in mind. And that's it. That's it for modifying and editing photos. Now, how about creating photos from scratch? Now, you come to a blank slate again. You come to apps. Here, you can search for text to image. And you click on this first one that appears, text to image. So what does text to image do? You can, type what you would like to see and it would come to life. So let's type Nigerian man in a travel agency office working on a laptop. Now note, everything you would see is AI generated. None of these images are actually real. They are AI generated. How do you make use of these tools? You can create images like this for your social media post and all that. Now look at this. This is totally AI generated. This person does not exist. Totally AI generated. You can use this for your ads, social media post and all that. This, again, AI generated. This is AI generated again. Yeah, like I said, it has some errors. As you can see, the nose, the mouth, but you need to keep modifying until you find exactly what you want. So this is not bad. So if you want to create another one, let's say a white man, let's say okay, let's say a white man taking a black man. No, everything is all about your creativity. Don't forget, don't just play around with these tools. Know exactly what you want to do. First, visualize it in your head. Then you come here and you create it. Now, this is so weird because as you can see, the picture looks like, not even looks like, it looks like Donald Trump. Like, so again, all these are AI generated. AI generated, everything here. So again, you pick what you want to use and you use it for your social media posts, your adverts, and all that. This is the AI part. Now, if you want to also, let's say create a video, just like what I showed you guys before, create a video with the AI. Let me show you this. You come to apps, click on apps, you search for Hey, I think it's Hey Gen. Yes, Hey Gen AI videos. When you click on it, Hey Gen. Then you can choose an avatar. Let's remove this picture. You can choose an avatar, which is you can choose anybody here, or you can upload your photo and bring it to life. So if you want to upload a photo, fine, you can upload a photo. If you want to choose an AI avatar, you can also choose an AI avatar. Let's say I choose this. Okay, let's just choose anyone. Let's choose this. Now, once you've chosen this, you can add your script. So let's say hello and welcome. So once you've done this, you can choose a voice. See more, you can click on see all. Select if you want a male or a female. Once you do that, just scroll down, you can listen to each of them, know the one you want to pick, and just click on use. Click on it and click on use. Once you have that, you can listen to your script. All right, let me edit this. Okay. Once that is done, you click on generate AI video. And agree, you can just chill a little bit for the video to be ready. Once it's ready, you get a notification via your email or via Canva pop-ups that your video is ready. Now, we can see how all this process has been easy so far. Let me also show you guys how to create videos for social media. Again, you can come to canva.com. You can click on videos, select the kind of video you want: Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video, whichever one you want, you click on it. Once you click on it, again, you can choose templates. Templates makes the whole thing easy. Look for a template that you can use. Template. Just choose for anything that vibes, or vibes with you, to whatever you want to create. So let's say this, and you can start editing each of them to suit what you want. If you want to add a music to it, by the left side here, you will see audio. So you can search for audio, or you can also upload your audio. To upload an audio, you come to uploads, and you can upload audio. So whenever you upload an audio, then let me show you guys how it works. You can just move it into your design. Then automatically it will be showing. So that's how it is. If you want to do a video, it can be Facebook, whichever video you want to do: Facebook, Instagram reel, TikTok. Let's click Instagram reel so you see how it looks like. As you can see, it looks like a full, like an Instagram reel, how it actually dimensions and all that. So you can click, you can edit, write-ups. If you did your own video, you can upload your own video here and also do edits inside Canva. So I think that's a notification that our video is ready. Okay, this is how it looks like. Let's add to design. As I extend, and let's play this. Okay. All right. So as you can see, this is totally AI generated, but it looks so real. All right, beautiful. So this, you can take it, run an ad with it, upload it on your website, whatever it is you want to use. Beautiful. So the same applies to everything I've been showing us today, both the social media posts, creating presentations, modifying and editing photos, creating videos for social media, and creating websites. Now, this is crazy because we just attended, or rather, I showed you guys how to do all this within the last 48 minutes. So if you actually go to your Canva app, you can actually take your time and work on each and every one of this. Practice till you get used to all of them. Once you're used to all this, you can even start a service for people. You can render these services to people. Trust me, people pay a lot for these services. Come to Canva, learn how to use it with AI and make everything easier for you. Apply it to your business, create a service out of it. And with that, I think we are done with today's training. I will unlock the group now, or rather the chat box, so you guys can ask your question. If you have any question, raise your hand and you can ask your question. Thank you. Olukemi, let's start with you. Is Olukemi there? All right, Daniel, how about you? Oh, sorry. Yes, you can unmute yourself now. Sorry. Olukemi, let's start with you.
All right. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
All right. My question is this: with the AI generation, the video generation, as we were taking the class, I was on my Canva. So I noticed that we have to register on Hygen
Yes, you have
before
to
you can
register
use
on
it.
it. Yes, it's a free
Okay.
registration.
Yeah, my question is I use DID, I use LI, use some other free ones. With Hygen, please, do they give units or what's the number of videos you can make from their site?
You can make at least a minimum of 20 because I've been making lots of videos so far and I'm still on the free version.
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
you're welcome. All right, the next person. Daniel, is that you?
Yes.
Okay,
Good evening, Daniel.
good evening.
Um, Again, thanks for today's training. Wonderful, like
You're
always. My question is this. My question is, can I actually, the first one is, which platform do you advise? Platform do you think I could get the best logo for my business? That is one. And then the second question is, out of all these videos generated on either Canva or all this platform, um, can I export them and then leave it on my system so that I can just easily access them, or must they be on the platform? For instance, must they be saved on Canva? Can I export those videos to my PC rather than leaving them on Canva? That's the question.
all right. That's a nice question. So let's go back to Canva. If you want to, let's go back to this video we just did now. If you want to export it, you click on share. That was a nice question anyway. You click on download. You select the quality you want and you can download. So once you download it, it goes to your devices, your laptops, your phone, and all that. The same applies to every other one we just did now. If I want to download this, again, I click on share, click on download. If I want an MP4 or I just want a picture, I'll select any of them, click on download, and I can download it to my device. Yes, it's free to download it. You don't have to pay to download unless you add a pro feature. So don't forget, Canva has a free version and a pro version. Some of the text or elements are pro. Like, look at this now. This is a pro picture, which is you have to be on a pro version to be able to use this picture. Else, look at
Yeah.
this. All these are free, 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 free. This is pro. You understand? So when you're creating
Yeah.
designs, if you're on the free version, beautiful. Just look for the free parts of Canva that you can use to supplement the pro parts. Does that make sense?
Very well.
All right,
Then
thank
about
you.
the logo.
Okay, about the logo, that's also another good question. On Canva, you can come here. What do you want to design today? You can type logo and you will see lots of logos for you to just click. Once you click, let's just click on, oh, beautiful, Daniel, the Click on customize and you can customize it how you want to customize it. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Beautiful. So, like I said, initially, everything on Canva is all about your creativity. You need to be creative on Canva to use Canva properly. Everything has to be your creativity. So you need to learn how to modify, how to move, how to change the color, everything. You need to learn it yourself on Canva. It's easy. It's not hard. Once you've learned it, then you can use it to do whatever you want to do. Is that fine?
Very well. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Again, also, if you want to create, let's say, business cards on Canva, you can come, add business cards, look for the template you want to use, and edit it. I've seen someone that charges 5,000 for business cards, and what they do is they come to Canva, create the card, and give it to the customer to go and print it. So these are skills that you might think everybody knows how to do them, but really not everybody knows how to do them. You can create a whole business from doing this, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. All right, next question, guys. We have Francis. Are you there?
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, Mark.
Yeah, thank you so much. I didn't join on time, but at least I got a lot of value.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Now, but we don't know how to monetize some of these things. We don't know the channels to register to monetize or open a platform to monetize these things you are learning.
Okay. Don't forget the goal that we are. Please, if you're not talking, mute yourself. If you're not talking, mute yourself, please. So the goal we are currently, or rather the steps you are taking now, is to get to that particular level where you can monetize each of all these things. So the first step is to actually learn how to use them, to know that they are available for your use, to know how to use them. Then we can start monetizing them. Does that make sense, Mark?
Very well.
Okay. So first things first, just learn how to use them first. Then you can start monetizing them.
Thank
All
you, sir.
right. You're welcome. Michelle.
Hello.
Hello,
Sir,
one more thing,
you
sir.
skipped me. Oh.
Okay. You can ask your question, I'm with you.
Hello? I should go on.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I don't know if someone has asked this question before. I was going through, I was trying to do an ebook yesterday, and I was following verbatim. Then, you gave an example that we should just ask the AI to give three chapters. I don't know if you can
Okay.
remember. Yeah. Is it
Yeah.
that 3 chapter should be a standard for, because it's an ebook, or we can actually give more? So that was why I gave a hello chat before. I thought you were busy and I relaxed. It was later I was seeing your response.
Okay. The
Yes.
standard I gave was that your ebook should be anywhere, it should be less than 35 pages. If it's more than 35 pages, it should be too long. Also, make sure your text is not tiny. Make it big, make it bold. You understand
Yes,
what I'm saying?
I remember those ones.
So the number of
Yes.
chapters
Is
does not
the
matter.
chapters now? Yes,
No, the
sir.
number of chapters does
Okay,
not
okay.
matter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Michelle,
Hello.
you can ask your question.
Okay, sir. Good evening.
Hello.
So after Michelle, Francis, then you can ask question. Michelle, let's take yours now.
Okay, yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask about our videos. Like, for some of us who go back to go and watch our videos, probably because we haven't practiced all of them yet, and
Okay.
we have to follow keenly.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to ask if we would always have to go online to get access to the videos, or there's something that we could actually do.
Okay. Someone asked this question
you'll be
before,
able to
and
access.
yeah, someone asked this question
Yes.
before, and I initially thought of making it available offline, but we would stick to making it online so that we can protect the value we are giving there from being spread out without us knowing it's being spread out. Again, if you want to access the value, this link has been shared on the Telegram group, members.danielilo.com/dashboard, and the login details. Once you come there, you click on sign in, and this would show. Once it shows, click on open, and you'll be able to access everything here. So this is the platform we are using now. I guess some people are still using the danielilo.com/login. That's not what we are using currently. We are using this members. The instructions was sent to us on Telegram. Please go back to the Telegram group and read it properly. So to answer your questions, Michelle, yes, you have to log into this platform every time you want to access any of the videos, assignments, or trainings.
Okay. What about if one loses their phone?
It's an online platform. Once you click on the link, you can log in from any phone.
The link can the link be copied and kept somewhere?
Yes, the link is always on your Telegram group. Always. Even when you log in, you see it again from any phone.
Oh, so our Telegram group we can open it from any phone too.
Yes, you can open your Telegram group on any phone.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And we that are learning computer, the thing looks difficult for us.
No, it's not difficult. It's not. Anyway, you're lost, just ask me. All right. Francis, you had a question.
Hello.
Hello, Francis.
Good evening, Daniel.
Good evening.
My question is particularly on the using Canva for website creation.
Okay.
I create websites, so I want to know: are we using Canva as a CMS? I don't know if you're familiar with creating websites.
Yes.
Or website design. Okay, we are using it as a CMS.
Yes.
Okay, the actual question I want to ask is there a way we can automate the website creation? Like, is there anything special about using Canva, like using prompts to results, creating the website with Canva, like the way we use text to results when creating, editing the photo, like creating a necklace?
Can you say
and
that
like
again?
changing
Let me
the text?
understand it properly.
Okay, is there any way we can generate a website with prompts, like on Canva, like creating a website? Let's say you give
Okay, I
Canva a
understand.
prompt of,
Now. The same way you put
okay,
text to image, but now
yes, yes,
website to text to
text to
website.
website.
Yes, that doesn't work on Canva yet. There's another tool
Okay,
to do that. It's called 10web.io, where you can just generate your website. Look at it here. You can create your website with AI using text to website. But I'm not going to teach that now. The one I thought today is enough for all of us. Let's go and practice. Let's go and practice that for now.
all
So,
right.
as you can see, there are lots of AI tools to make life easier for you. But at least this one should be able to do what you want
I think
to do.
Hostinger also does that too.
Be beautiful. So there are a lot of AI
Yeah,
tools you can use to
Hostinger
automate
does
the
that
whole
too.
thing. All right. Any other question, Francis?
Yeah, I had another question, but I forgot. Maybe I'll come up later. I've forgotten the
Okay,
second
that's
question I
fine.
wanted to ask.
That's
Thank you
fine.
very much.
You're welcome. Aaron, is that you? You can ask your question.
Yeah, good evening all. Good evening, everybody. Happy
Good
Sunday.
evening. Before you
Yeah,
ask
sorry.
the question, the link to the Facebook ID will be dropped today.
No, it's not about
Before
that.
you
It's not about that.
ask that.
I just really want to apologize because I just come online. You understand?
Okay, it's
So
fine.
I was just creating a landing page for a physical product. Then I've forgotten that there is a training this evening.
At least
So
you're
I have
practicing.
yes, I have a little issue about the filling the form and submit the form. When someone submit the forms, I don't know how to do so that I can know when somebody place an order. Yes, that's
Okay.
my problem. But I'm trying to bring the landing page up for the this one, for the item. So
Okay.
that's why I said let me ask on this training
Okay. If I
maybe
got you
there's some
correctly,
plan.
you're trying to create your sales page in such a way that when someone can buy from your sales page.
Yes, like placing an order on the sales page, the landing page.
Okay, when you mean placing an order, do you mean that they will pay you to place the order, or they will fill a form? Which of
They will
them?
fill a form. They will fill a form and submit the form. So for me to know when the person submit a form, and I have to receive a mail or a message. You understand that
Okay.
somebody's have fill a form and submit it. So that's the issue now. I don't know where I'm going to see, because I tried to fill the form by myself and see how it works, but I'm yet to even receive a message.
It's normally under live updates. Whenever
Okay.
someone fills a form, it's on your dashboard. You can find it under live updates. So
Okay.
this is how it normally appears.
All right. All right.
So you can test this, then give me an update.
Okay, no problem. I'll test it now when we are off.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question for today? Any other question? Do we have any other
Yes,
question,
yes,
guys? Okay, look at me.
yes, yes. I forgot to ask when I asked the question of the video generation. Like DID, the character of number of words that you can put to generate voice outputs for you is very minimal. So what I do
In
normally
HiGen,
is
it's more.
okay.
Yes,
But
let's do
like,
them.
is it possible to generate the voice somewhere else and import it also?
On HiGen, I'm not sure about that, but on DND, that should be possible.
Yeah, I do that very well on DID on
Yes.
Li, but I'm not sure. I've not
Okay,
tried
you
hygiene.
want to generate your own voice and upload it.
Yes, there is this other side that we're able to generate like African voice or Niger voice.
Yeah.
Make it a bit.
You can do that on DND. I didn't want to show everything here today because it will make the video, vast. You understand? But yes, you can do
Okay.
that using the DID. If you go to apps, you can search for DID and you'll be able to, see everything here. But yeah,
Okay.
we'll handle that on another training. As
No,
you
what
can
you're
see on
saying is,
DID, you can upload audio.
so I can access DID on Canva also.
Yes, look at it here. This is DID AI.
All right. It makes life easier.
I didn't want to show us everything on this video, so I just picked one to just show. So on DID, the same thing. You can sign up or sign in, connect it, and you can connect everything here. Is that fine?
Yeah, very, very. It makes life easier.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question, guys? 2 more questions and we're
I
done for today.
I
Francis, have
don't
you
know.
remembered your question?
The question I wanted to ask is what she just asked now.
Okay,
I think she
lovely.
has answered the question, but I don't know if I can add. I wanted to
Sure.
say she can use this script if she wants to add her own voice. She can create a voice with this script and then just add it as audio to the video you've created on Canva. You can also do that if you want to use your voice. The same way you do on
hear that?
DID.
Look at me. What he simply means is that when you create whatever you want to create, you can
Is it
add.
this script on Canva?
Let me
This
check
script is
that.
an AI tool on its own.
Okay,
No,
like a different AI tool.
I have different ones that can generate the voice I wanted.
Just use
Is
DID.
No,
No,
the character DID gives is shorter. So normally I use other sites that allows you to generate longer speeches. Then I import it into DID. You
okay.
get yes, that's what I've been doing. So I just want to know if Hygen also supports that, because number of character that DID takes is very low. And if I have something more than that, I'll just go somewhere else, generate it, then import it into DID, and it will give me what I want. But since I've not used Hygen before,
Yeah,
that's what I was.
DID is better than Hygen. DID is more complicated than Hygen. So since you're already using DID, for those that don't understand what we are saying now, it's okay. Don't feel confused. DID is something like Hygen as well. It does the same thing Hygen does, which is creating AI videos to use for your presentation, your social media post, and all that. So Olukemi, you can use DID, connect it on
Uh,
Canva, and just work with it. Because
all right.
there are lots of AI tools coming up now, a lot, like a lot.
Now I'll check that, because I was trying to use Eli and I've not really got much into it. So I'll just see if I can access it from Canva. It will be more easier for me to use.
Exactly. You need to find a place to combine all your AI tools inside one
Everything
place.
together.
Yes,
Yes.
because if you're using it from different places, you would
It's
feel
tired.
overwhelmed. You'll be tired. Exactly. All right, that's
Thank
fine.
you.
You're welcome. One more question and we are done for tonight. One more question. Who is gonna be the lucky person? All right, let me be the lucky person.
Hello, sir. Before you close,
Okay.
still on the website creation with Canva, because this is the first time I'm actually seeing this, like creating
Okay.
a website on Canva. Okay, my question now is, can we import an external template? Like if you already have a template, can you install it into Canva and use it for the website creation, just
So
like on
far, I've not
WordPress?
seen anything like that. You can only
All right.
build from scratch, or you can use templates and customize what you want to customize.
Okay. Does Canva has its own hosting plan?
Yes, it does.
Wow. Okay.
Look at
Okay.
this
Thank you.
here.
I think I'll take my time to play around with it.
Oh, please do play around it because it's very awesome. Look at this now. Let me show you what we did today. Okay, you were here from the beginning, weren't you?
Yeah, I was there. I was there from the beginning.
Okay. For those that comes early, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome.
Oh,
What we are doing here is very practical. Just watching the video is not enough. You might also have to ask some questions. So try and be coming early, guys. It's just 1 hour class and we are done. So if you look at this published web, you can click on change. Let's change this. You can purchase a domain, and let's say you can choose your domain, and as you can say, just that it's more expensive. Look at that. You can just buy your domain and connect it to connect it to what you just built. Does that make sense? Are you there? So
yeah,
you can just buy the domain and connect it immediately, and everything is up.
And their domain and hosting plan, does it come together, or you have to do that separately? Well,
Already, this is the hosting that we are doing now. You're already creating your website here. Canva is the hosting platform.
I get, but for some host providers, you have to
Okay.
buy the domain separately and buy the host separately. Like they cost differently. That's what
Yes, I
I'm saying.
understand what you're saying. But as you can see on Canva now, you can host it on Canva, buy your domain on Canva, and just link everything there. You understand? So
It's actually easy doing stuff here. So.
Pardon?
I said it's actually easier doing this
Exactly.
stuff here.
So the only cost you'll be spending now for everything here for this website is just the domain name. Just the domain name. So you can even charge your customer 100,000, 200,000. but you're spending only this amount. It's currently in pounds because I'm in the UK, so I'm sure it will show naira here if you try it now from Nigeria. So you
And
can
once
just
you pay for this stuff now, it stays till 1 year before you have to
yes.
resubscribe for this.
Okay, look at this now. If you click on claim, you put your name and all that. Click on continue.
Hello, Daniel. So is it that Canva doesn't charge for hosting?
Canva doesn't charge for hosting. It's already there. It's on Canva there already. So what you just need to do now is just to pay for domain.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Let's just skip all this for now. So it's very simple, right? Everything is simple.
Yeah, like it's easier. It's better than using other CMS and all. Also, I checked yesterday. I was asking about why you use Google Meet.
And with you, Mark.
Yeah, yesterday I was talking about this Zoom, using Zoom and Google Meet.